Hi guys, so today we'll be installing Cardo onto our helmet. So we have got this helmet, Shark Race RGP Pro. It's a full face helmet. It's this one. So let's just unbox the Cardo. When you unbox it, you get the base unit. Just gonna try. And you get some other stuff. Safety, compliance, and warranty. Get some stickers. And here you get all the accessories that you're gonna need to install the Cardo onto the helmet. So let's see what other stuff we get. Alright, so this is the mic, and here you get the bracket to attach the Cardo onto the side of your helmet. You get a Type-C cable. You get velcros for the speakers on the side, and you get the actual speakers. So for this, we will have to remove the visor first, and we'll have to remove all the cheek pads on the side and the cheek pads on the inside of the helmet. So let's do that. So usually on most of the helmets you do get speaker cutouts on the side. So those are the speaker cutouts on the side. And we're gonna put those velcros on the side. And this is another mic that you get. This is just a cable mic. This one is basically used on the half-face helmets where you open the front and then it goes back down. So this is for that, but we won't need this. We're just gonna need the cable mic. These are the two velcros. And these are the extending velcro. So if your speakers are far from your ear, you can use this as an extension, so it'll be a little bit closer to your ears. So these are the velcros, and that's the adhesive at the back. So we're gonna attach two of this. Where's the other one? Oh yeah, there you go. So two of this on the either side of the ears. Now these are the two speakers. You'll see that in one of the speakers, the wire is a bit closer to the speaker. So this one is gonna go on the left hand side, on your clutch hand side, because it's gonna be closer and connected to the Cardo system over here. So let's just do that. And there you go, the speakers are now connected. So that's how the speakers are connected on either side. And now I'm just gonna get this wire and get it across another pads at the back. Next thing I'm gonna do is connect and clip this on the side of the helmet. So on the left hand side over here, like this. And you can adjust it wherever you want. I want it underneath my left ear, so it's gonna be easy for me to reach. So there you go, now this is connected. And now we're gonna connect these cables. So it comes with two cables. One is for the speaker and another one is for the mic. We haven't attached the mic yet, so we're just gonna do that next. One thing I forgot to mention is that on the side, you can either do the clip-on or you can put this adhesive. It's a 3M tape, but I don't want to put anything like a sticker or anything on my helmet, so that's why I use a clip-on, and I think that's better in my opinion. So this is another Velcro that we'll be using to attach mic and front of our helmet. So make sure it stays in front of your mouth so people can hear you clearly if you're speaking, if you're talking to someone and stuff like that. Now we're just gonna attach the mic to the front here. And now we're just gonna connect this cable to the mic to this one. And this one to the speakers. So now everything is done, and I'm just gonna put all the cheek pads and everything into the helmet, and I'll be back. And it's just gonna go in like this, and it's all good to go. So this is how it looks. This is from the inside, so you don't see any wires or anything like that because it's all hidden in under the cheek pads. But yeah, that's all good to go. And for installation process, this way you'll be able to download the app and start installing. So this is where you will find the app. You can download the app from here, and then you can set up the Cardo onto your phone and connect it. Sweet. So that's it. Thanks so much for watching. Peace out.